thank God for every elder. I want to thank you, oh Lord, because of every elder. Thank you because of Cornelius. Thank you because of Wycliffe. Thank you because of Zawani. I thank you for the big ones, oh Lord. I want to thank you because, Abba Father, you are growing.
Hey guys, so I'm back in Mombasa from Mukunda. I was in Akunda for a couple days and I came back and I'm staying at a new place here and it's kind of in a somewhat isolated location in Mtwapa called Prestige Apartments. I've been here a couple days and so far I like it a lot. There's goats everywhere. The last place I was at was called Prime Comfort and I like the room itself, but every morning at 6 a.m. there's a little church across the street. Every morning around, every morning around 6 a.m. they would have some service and it was super loud. And it was so loud that from 6 a.m. till maybe 6:30, 6:45, you're awake. You're not gonna sleep through that. So that was hard. Besides that, I like the place. Unfortunately, they can't do anything about it. So today I'm just going to go to Quick Mart. And Quick Mart used to be called Tuskie's. It's a supermarket. And supposedly it's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I heard Tuskie's went out of business. This is a good place to go if you don't want to eat out one day. They have takeout food there. Come to get some takeout fish fillets, takeout chicken. And the place I'm at now I like because it's got, like, some hotels have pools and you'll see on the internet, oh, we have a pool. Then you get there and the pool's like really small, or it just doesn't look like it's very clean or something like that, and no one ever really uses it. I've seen that in quite a few hotels. But this hotel has a legitimate pool. There are tables around the pool, and when the weather's nice, and this week the weather's been terrible. It's been raining all week. Last night it was just raining nonstop all night. The weather's good. I can see a lot of people out there swimming in the pool. And here you'll find a lot of, if you want a budget place to stay, Mombasa, this is an area with a lot of apartments you can rent. And it's really quite convenient because all you have to do is go in the direction I'm going to the Matatu stage just up the road here. Actually, there's one right next to the Quick one I'm going to, and you can get a Matatu just like that almost every time. Go to Big Tree, go into town if you want to. Go to ferries. You can go to Diana Beach, go to the City Mall. They're all on the same road, basically. Anyway, the weather's bad and the forecast is it's going to be bad all week. Rain and more rain. Windy. Today's supposed to be not so much rain, but windy. Very windy. Yeah, yesterday after my trip back, I just went to the city mall. There's a place there called Cafe Sri, which is a really good place to have coffee or eat. A lot of people go there, and just go there and have a few cappuccinos or whatever. Work on your laptop, whatever. Here we get two hotels. Hotel Basilia here. Don't really know much about it. It's like a kind of small hotel. Here's a place up here, Jumbo Travelers Hotel on the right here. And this is a really large hotel. Got a really nice swimming pool at Jumbo Travelers Hotel. And there's Jumbo Travelers. Place I'm at now, they have options. It's 3,000. I'm paying 3,000 a night, but if I wanted breakfast, I think it's 5,000 more a night, which I don't. And if I want air conditioning, it's more. And I don't want. I'm happy with a fan. Really don't like air conditioning.
My friend,
Hey, how you doing?
Mata baik.
No.
Tiga saham tu bersama. My friend.
Hey, how you doing? All right, so they won't allow a camera in here, but so I'll take it off. But I'm just gonna go get some stuff. Hey, so I'm on my way back from the Quick Mart. So now I'm just gonna walk down a couple of like back streets here. I think down in this area you got a couple other hotels, cheap hotels. Yeah, this area around here, it's mostly just dirt roads. So obviously when it rains a lot, you get these big puddles. Jesus, man, this one's so big. I don't know. I guess I have to go to the left here. So many cats here, I noticed. Mtwapa furnished apartments. Yeah, it's pretty quiet on the streets now because it's like everybody's inside. Usually there'd be a lot more people outside. No, I'm just walking around. I don't want to go there. It's okay. These ladies quite understand why a guy would just be walking around for no particular reason. Maybe they didn't see my camera. Yeah, see, that's what it's like when it rains here. You're staying down here. Better hope it doesn't rain.